Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best exercise mats that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have REI Hut1 1/2-inch extra thick high-density NBR exercise yoga mat, measuring 71 inches in length. This is a long mat made from high-density foam with 1/2-inch thickness. With a good amount of cushion, you can protect your elbows, knees, spine, and hips from pain when these come in contact with the hard floor. As both surfaces are double-sided and non-slip, the mat will not shift easily. This is important when you are performing restorative or inversion poses. With a strap included, it is easy to transport this mat by simply carrying it over your shoulder. You may notice a slight chemical smell initially on the mat, which could be because it is brand new. However, the odor should dissipate in a few days after airing it out. Moving on at number 4, we have Balance from Go Yoga All-Purpose 1/2-inch Extra Thick High-Density Anti-Tear Exercise Yoga Mat. Designed with a non-slip surface and superb grip to the floor, this all-purpose exercise mat is one that you can use for your workouts or yoga poses. It is resilient and grippy, which allows you to maintain your balance no matter what type of exercise you perform. With a moisture-resistant quality, you can easily clean the mat with a damp cloth and dry it quickly. What's more, this is a lightweight mat with a carrying strap, so you can transport it without any problem. It is a little bigger than some mats, which makes it somewhat bulky. Even with the added width and length though, it is not heavy to carry around as there is a strap. At number 3, we Everlast 2x6 Folding Mat, perfect for gymnastics, baby's playroom, or a home gym. This folding mat is very large and can cover a large area. It is thick and cushy, and the foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. Also, the surface is non-absorbent, so all it needs is a damp cloth for cleanup, and it should be perfectly clean in an instant. With sewn-on handles, you can carry the mat from one place to another without a problem. The mat tends to slide when placed over hardwood floors, so you may have to use something to keep it secure and prevent the mat from shifting when you move to prevent injuries. At number 2, we have Best Choice Products 10 by 4 feet 4-panel foam folding exercise gym mat. At 10 feet long, this is an extra large exercise mat that you can use when setting up a home gym or perhaps a play area for your kids. It is constructed from high-density foam that is truly soft and cushy, so it protects your body from the hard floor whenever you do your crunches, push-ups, and other types of floor exercises. With a 2-inch thickness and firm foam quality, you can do your exercise with ease and comfort all the time. You can also connect this to another mat when you do your tumbling runs and other gymnastics routines. Without a doubt, this is a sturdy and thick mat. It is supportive and easy to lay on the floor, as much as it is effortless to roll it up and store after use. And finally at number 1. Best Massage Gymnastics Mats Exercise Mat. Tumbling mats for gymnastics. Gymnastics mats. Working out at home has never been this fun and worry-free, thanks to this fitness mat. It offers a comfortable area for your exercises, as it is firm and supportive at the same time. Whenever you need a mat for home acrobatics, mixed martial arts, floor exercises, and even a portable sleeping mat, this should be great for these purposes. The surface is also easy to clean because of its non-absorbent feature and PU leather material. This is truly an excellent mat for the purpose intended for it. However, the Velcro tends to stick to the rug, so make sure to lift it gently in case it does stick. Otherwise, you might cause damages to your carpeting.
Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.